The activity log in Fergus is your go-to place for tracking important actions taken by users in your account. It records changes to events, like creating, editing, or deleting jobs, so you can quickly see who did what and when. It's a simple way to spot mistakes, investigate issues, or just keep an eye on activity. To access the activity log, go to Settings, and from the menu on the left, click Activity Log. Here, you'll see a list of the most recent activities across your account. These are the following events that the activity log can track. Feel free to pause the video if you'd like to have a quick look. From here, you can search for specific actions using keywords, filter by date range, narrow results to certain users, and use the drop-down to view only the events you're interested in. You can also check the activity log for a specific user. In Settings, click Users from the left-hand menu. Select the user you want to review, and click the 3 dots in the top right corner. Then, choose Activity Log from the drop-down. And that's it! This simple but powerful feature gives you visibility over what's happening in Fergus, so you always have a record when you need it.